In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add plugins on Hostinger in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to managing websites or just looking to enhance the functionality of your site, this guide will walk you through the entire process seamlessly. So let's get started. First, we'll head over to Hostinger's website. You'll want to use your favorite web browser and navigate to Hostinger. Once you're there, you'll notice the login button prominently displayed on the home page. It's usually located at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that to enter your credentials. You'll need your email address and password handy, so ensure you have those details ready. Logging in successfully will take you directly to the Hostinger dashboard, which serves as the control center for all your website management tasks. Now that we're logged in, the next step is to go to the home section of Hostinger. You should see a home button or link in the navigation panel. Click on this to proceed. Once you've arrived at the home page within Hostinger, you need to locate the Manage button next to the website you'd like to work on. This is where you select the specific site where you plan to add the plugins. Clicking Manage will access the back-end settings of your chosen website. When you've opened the management interface, look for the Files option. Typically, it's located within the menu options on the left-hand side. It might take a moment to find if you're new to the interface, but once you do, click on it. You'll be greeted with several options related to file management on your website. Among the options, you'll see File Manager. Clicking on this will open a new layer where you can directly interact with all the files related to your website's structure. Moving forward, within the File Manager, locate the website domain, which should be visible in a list or as a folder. You'll want to click on this domain to access its files. In our example, the domain is jmedia.store, but yours will be whatever you've set up. Within this domain folder, all your website's critical files are stored. Once inside the domain's directory, find and click on the folders marked as access files of your website or something similar. This takes you deeper into the directory tree. In this level, look for and open the plugins or a folder. This is the magic folder where all your plugin files reside. Simply dragging and dropping new plugin files into this folder will install them for use on your website. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Hostinger to add plugins to your site, enhancing its capabilities. Remember, plugins are powerful tools, so choose wisely to benefit your website fully. Thanks for following along, and happy website building.